Hello there. Years ago when I was in the Navy, they used to feed us a dish that was just wonderful. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make that dish. Come and join me. So this dish was originally French until it was captured by the Duke of Wellington in 1815 at Waterloo. It became his favorite dish and was therefore named in his honor as beef Wellington. So what we're going to need today is some egg wash, a little brush, some spoons, a little bit of thyme, English mustard, horseradish, mushrooms, puff pastry. You're going to need sliced cooked ham, some plastic wrap, olive oil, garlic, a stove and a pan, and a fillet of beef here. So let's get started. Add the olive oil to the pan. Warm it up to scalding hot. We're going to salt the beef. And we're going to add some pepper, ground pepper to it as well. First thing we're going to do is take the beef and sear it for about a minute on each side. All we're doing is sealing the beef. We're not cooking it all the way through. We're just searing it. Don't forget to do the ends as well. Now it's going to make quite a bit of mess. Very good, that should do it. Now some people use like a Dijon mustard because, well, you know, pardon me, but do you have any Grey Poupon? No, I use English mustard. It's nice, it's hot, gives a nice kick to the meat. And you're going to coat the thing, and you're going to do this right as it comes off the grill there. Because you want the juices, as the meat starts to rest, to pull in the heat from the mustard. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make our pate. We're going to do that with some baby bella mushrooms. Mushrooms into the food processor. Scrape off thyme. Add that in there. 1/4 teaspoon of horseradish. 2 cloves of garlic. Pulse these down. You're going to put this into a very large frying pan. And we're going to cook the water out of this. That's really all we're doing. Look at that. You can see all that water coming right out of those mushrooms. Okay, so mushrooms are done. And we're going to just put these out on a plate and let them cool down. We're going to lay out our ham in preparations for the pate and the meat. Now we're going to put our pate onto the ham. Smells wonderful. Has that earthy smell to it with just a hint of garlic. Our beef has been resting, but now we're going to take it over and lay it on the pate. Put it on the side closest to you. Okay, you're going to pinch these ends and tighten it. So now you've got a nice roll there. We're going to put that in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and let it set up. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out our puff pastry. Okay? Lay that down there like that. Put a coating of the egg wash on the puff pastry. That'll help to seal it tight. This is firmed up nicely now. We can lay it on the puff pastry. Just like we did before, roll this very tightly. Bring it up this way, and we're going to cut off any of the extra here. I'm going to pinch these ends here. I'm going to pinch the ends and tighten it up. There we go. We're going to put that in the refrigerator for at least a half hour, maybe a little more, to firm up the puff pastry. Set the oven to 425 Fahrenheit, that is. It's been 30 minutes, just a little bit more, and it is time to get this set up to go. Before we put it in the oven, we're going to give it a nice egg wash. This egg wash is going to make it look nice and shiny and crisp when it comes out of the oven. Salt. I like to use sea salt. Normally I use the larger flake salt, but I don't have any of that right now. So we're just going to sprinkle this on here, and that will help the crust to have a nice sheen as well. Last thing to do is take your knife and use the back of the knife and score the dough slightly. Not really critical for the cooking, but it does give it a nice little artistic flair. I like to do it in a little bit of a lattice design. And we're going to set this in here, and we're going to bake it until the crust is golden brown. There we go. Look at that. Now that's what a beef Wellington should look like. So we're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes and rest, and the juices will reabsorb into the meat, and then we'll open it up. Well, now let's open this up and see what it looks like. There you can see your pate, your crust, and a rare, medium rare beef in the center there. Looks delicious. And when you're starting to cut this up, give it a good inch worth of cutting. Ow, ow, ow. Hot, hot, hot. That's going to conclude our video for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash down on that like button. Lets us know that you care. Also, we'd ask that you might subscribe to our channel and click the little bell so you can be notified when we're uploading a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the streets.